How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can find your deleted friends on Snapchat. Now if you unfriended someone or someone has unfriended you and you want to add them back but you can't find them, here is how you can do so. You can open up Snapchat, you can tap on the friend request plus icon that you can find at the top of the screen. At the top right you can see the add friend option. If you tap on it, you'll be headed into add friends page. Now the one way to find your deleted friend is to search them from the search bar, searching for the username, and once you search it for the username, this will pop up here and you can add them back. However, if you are searching them and you can't find them, it might be that they have blocked you, or if you don't remember the username, now the other option what you can do is, if you have their contacts, you can simply tap on the all contacts option and you'll be able to see all your contacts here, and you can add them back from here. In case you can't find them, it might be that they blocked you. Now if you don't remember their username and if you don't have their contacts, what you can do is you can head into chats option and here scroll down below and you might be able to find the previous chats here. In case, now even you can see here this user Asmina Shrestha has unfriended me. You can see the cross icon there. I'm not friend with her, but it's still showing up, so there is a chance that you might find it as well. And then later on you can go into the profile and look at the username and then go back, unfriend them from here. You have to unfriend them too, and then you can add them back. So this is the way you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.